A1 English listening. What sports do you like?
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well.
So, Juan, what sports do you like?
I like sports a lot. I like cardio sports like cycling, running, and swimming.
Nice. Do you like cycling or running more?
I like cycling more than running because it is more fun.
That's nice. Do you like swimming or cycling more?
I like swimming more than cycling because it's more relaxing. What sports do you like?
I like tennis and golf.
Do you like tennis or golf more?
I like tennis more than golf because it is more exciting.
Do you play tennis often?
Yes, I do. I play tennis 2 days a week with my friend Yuki.
That's great. I go cycling with Emmanuel on Sundays.
Oh, nice.
Maybe we can exercise together one day.
Yeah. That sounds like fun, but I don't like cardio.
Really? Why not?
It is difficult. Would you like to play golf on Saturdays?
I don't like golf. It's boring.
What about tennis? You can play with Yuki and me.
No, it's too difficult. I go swimming on Saturdays. Would you like that?
Sure, swimming is fun and relaxing.
Great, it's a deal.
Now, it's your turn. What sports do you like? Why do you like them?